Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of interpreting biological information. In today's interconnected age, understanding the language of life is more important than ever. Biological information is all around us, encoded in DNA, proteins, and even in the way cells communicate. This video will guide you through the basics, from the molecular building blocks to the complex systems that make life possible. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply curious, you'll discover how scientists decode and interpret the information that drives living organisms. Let's begin by exploring what biological information really means and why it's so crucial to science and medicine. Biological information refers to the coded instructions that govern the structure, function, and behavior of living things. This information is stored in molecules like DNA and RNA, which act as blueprints for life. Every cell in your body contains a complete set of these instructions, guiding everything from growth to repair. Scientists study these codes to understand how traits are inherited, how diseases develop, and how life evolves. By interpreting biological information, we can unlock the secrets of genetics, evolution, and health. Next, let's look at the primary carriers of this information: nucleic acids. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is often called the blueprint of life. It's a long, double-helix molecule found in the nucleus of every cell. DNA stores genetic information using four chemical bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The sequence of these bases forms genes, which determine everything from eye color to susceptibility to certain diseases. By reading and interpreting DNA, scientists can trace ancestry, diagnose genetic disorders, and even develop personalized medicine. Understanding DNA is the first step in decoding the language of life. While DNA stores genetic information, RNA, or ribonucleic acid, acts as the messenger. RNA carries instructions from DNA to the cell's protein-making machinery. There are several types of RNA, each with a specific role. Messenger RNA mRNA delivers the genetic code, while transfer RNA tRNA and ribosomal RNA rRNA help assemble proteins. By studying RNA, scientists can understand how genes are expressed and regulated. This knowledge is vital for developing vaccines, such as those for COVID-19 and for advancing gene therapy. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out the instructions encoded in DNA and RNA. They perform countless functions, from building cellular structures to catalyzing chemical reactions. Each protein's shape and function are determined by the sequence of amino acids, which is specified by genetic information. By interpreting protein structures and functions, researchers can design new drugs, understand diseases, and engineer novel enzymes. Proteins are where biological information becomes action. Gene is a segment of DNA that contains the instructions for making a specific protein. The complete set of genes in an organism is called its genome. Genomics is the study of genomes, and it has revolutionized biology and medicine. By sequencing genomes, scientists can identify genetic variations, trace evolutionary relationships, and predict disease risks. Interpreting genomic data is a complex task that requires powerful computers and sophisticated algorithms. Genetic code is the set of rules by which information in DNA is translated into proteins. Each group of 3 DNA bases, called a codon, specifies a particular amino acid. This universal code is shared by almost all living things, highlighting the unity of life. By interpreting the genetic code, scientists can predict how changes in DNA affect protein function, and ultimately an organism's traits. This knowledge is essential for genetic engineering and biotechnology. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that can alter the information it carries. Some mutations have little effect, while others can cause diseases or drive evolution. By studying mutations, scientists can understand the origins of genetic disorders, track the spread of viruses, and develop targeted therapies. Interpreting the impact of mutations is a key part of modern biology and medicine. But genetics is the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the DNA sequence itself. Chemical modifications, such as methylation, can turn genes on or off, affecting how cells behave. These changes can be influenced by environment, diet, and lifestyle, and some can even be passed to future generations. Interpreting epigenetic information helps us understand complex traits and diseases like cancer. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze and interpret vast amounts of biological data. With the explosion of genomic and protonic information, bioinformatics tools are essential for making sense of it all. These tools help scientists identify genes, predict protein structures, and find patterns in complex datasets. The field is rapidly evolving, opening new frontiers in personalized medicine and biotechnology. Modern sequencing technologies have made it possible to read entire genomes quickly and affordably. Techniques like next-generation sequencing, NGS, generate massive amounts of data, enabling researchers to study genetic variation, disease, and evolution on an unprecedented scale. Interpreting this data requires advanced algorithms and powerful computers, but the insights gained are transforming biology and medicine. Genetic testing uses biological information to assess an individual's risk for certain diseases, identify carriers of genetic disorders, and guide treatment decisions. By interpreting test results, healthcare providers can offer personalized advice and interventions. This approach is at the heart of precision medicine, which aims to tailor healthcare to each person's unique genetic makeup. Personalized medicine uses biological information to customize healthcare for individuals. By analyzing a person's genetic profile, doctors can predict how they will respond to certain drugs, identify the best treatments, and avoid adverse reactions. This approach is revolutionizing fields like oncology, where targeted therapies are improving outcomes for cancer patients. Biological information allows scientists to trace ancestry and evolutionary relationships among species. By comparing DNA sequences, researchers can reconstruct family trees, track migrations, and study how organisms have adapted to their environments. This information sheds light on human history and the diversity of life on Earth. Proteomics is the large-scale study of proteins, the molecules that carry out most cellular functions. By analyzing protein expression, modifications, and interactions, scientists can gain insights into health, disease, and development. Interpreting proteomic data is challenging due to the complexity and diversity of proteins, but advances in technology are making it increasingly possible. Transcriptomics focuses on the study of RNA transcripts produced by the genome. By measuring which genes are active in different cells and conditions, scientists can understand how cells respond to their environment and how diseases develop. Interpreting transcriptomic data helps identify biomarkers and potential drug targets. Metabolomics is the study of small molecules or metabolites in cells, tissues, and organisms. These molecules reflect the biochemical activity and health of a cell. By interpreting metabolomic data, researchers can diagnose diseases, monitor treatment responses, and discover new therapeutic targets. Systems biology integrates data from genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and metabolomics to understand how biological systems function as a whole. By modeling complex interactions, scientists can predict how changes in one part of a system affect the entire organism. This holistic approach is essential for tackling complex diseases and developing new therapies. Cells communicate using chemical signals, electrical impulses, and direct contact. Interpreting these signals is crucial for understanding how tissues and organs coordinate their activities. Disruptions in cell communication can lead to diseases like cancer and diabetes. By decoding these messages, researchers can develop new treatments and improve health outcomes. Signal transduction pathways are the routes by which cells respond to external stimuli. These pathways involve a series of molecular events that transmit information from the cell surface to the nucleus. Interpreting these pathways helps scientists understand how cells make decisions, adapt to changes, and maintain homeostasis. Molecular diagnostics use biological information to detect diseases at the molecular level. Techniques like PCR and DNA microarrays allow for the rapid and accurate identification of pathogens, genetic mutations, and cancer markers. Interpreting these results enables early diagnosis and personalized treatment. Synthetic biology combines engineering and biology to design and construct new biological parts, devices, and systems. By interpreting and manipulating biological information, scientists can create organisms with novel functions, such as bacteria that produce medicines or clean up pollution. This field holds great promise for biotechnology and environmental sustainability. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing technology that allows scientists to precisely modify DNA. By interpreting genetic information, researchers can target specific genes for editing, offering new possibilities for treating genetic diseases, improving crops, and advancing research. The ethical implications of gene editing are also a topic of ongoing debate. Microbiome refers to the community of microorganisms living in and on our bodies. These microbes play vital roles in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. By interpreting microbiome data, scientists can develop probiotics, understand disease mechanisms, and personalize nutrition and medicine. Environmental DNA, or eDNA, is genetic material collected from environmental samples like soil, water, or air. By interpreting eDNA, scientists can monitor biodiversity, track invasive species, and study ecosystems without disturbing them. This non-invasive approach is transforming conservation biology. Phylogenetics is the study of evolutionary relationships among organisms. By comparing genetic information, scientists build phylogenetic trees that illustrate how species are related. Interpreting these trees helps us understand the history of life and the processes that drive evolution. Population genetics examines the distribution of genetic variations within and between populations. By interpreting this information, scientists can study evolution, migration, and the effects of natural selection. This field is essential for conservation, agriculture, and understanding human diversity. Functional genomics seeks to understand the roles of genes and other elements in the genome. By interpreting how genes interact and are regulated, scientists can uncover the mechanisms underlying health and disease. This knowledge is crucial for developing new diagnostics and therapies. Comparative genomics involves comparing the genomes of different species to identify similarities and differences. By interpreting these comparisons, scientists can discover conserved genes, understand evolutionary processes, and identify genes associated with specific traits or diseases. Gene regulation networks describe how genes are turned on and off in response to various signals. By interpreting these networks, scientists can understand how cells differentiate, respond to stress, and maintain balance. Disruptions in gene regulation are linked to many diseases, including cancer. Proteogenomics combines proteomic and genomic data to provide a more complete picture of how genes and proteins interact. By interpreting both types of information, researchers can identify novel proteins, understand disease mechanisms, and improve biomarker discovery. Single-cell analysis allows scientists to study the genetic and molecular makeup of individual cells. By interpreting this information, researchers can uncover cellular diversity, track development, and identify rare cell types involved in disease. This approach is transforming our understanding of biology at the smallest scale. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are increasingly used to interpret biological information. These technologies can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. Applications include drug discovery, disease diagnosis, and personalized medicine. Interpreting biological information raises important ethical questions about privacy, consent, and data security. As genetic testing and data sharing become more common, it's crucial to protect individuals' rights and ensure responsible use of sensitive information. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential. Data visualization tools help scientists interpret complex biological information by presenting it in clear, accessible formats. Graphs, heat maps, and interactive models make it easier to spot trends, relationships, and anomalies. Effective visualization is key to communicating discoveries and guiding research. Sheer volume of biological data presents significant challenges for storage, analysis, and interpretation. Managing big data requires robust infrastructure, standardized formats, and collaborative efforts across disciplines. Overcoming these challenges is essential for unlocking the full potential of biological information. Open science promotes the sharing of biological data and research findings to accelerate discovery and innovation. By making data accessible to the global scientific community, researchers can collaborate more effectively, validate results, and drive progress in fields like genomics and medicine. Citizen science projects invite the public to participate in collecting and interpreting biological information. From tracking wildlife to analyzing genetic data, these initiatives expand the reach of scientific research and foster a deeper appreciation for biology among non-experts. Education and outreach efforts are vital for helping people understand and interpret biological information. By making complex concepts accessible, educators inspire the next generation of scientists and empower individuals to make informed decisions about health and the environment. The future of interpreting biological information is bright, with advances in technology, data analysis, and collaboration driving new discoveries. Emerging fields like synthetic biology, precision medicine, and artificial intelligence promise to further transform our understanding of life and health. Cancer genomics is a field that interprets the genetic changes driving cancer. By sequencing tumor DNA, scientists can identify mutations, predict treatment responses, and develop targeted therapies. This personalized approach is improving survival rates and quality of life for many patients. Interpreting biological information is crucial for tracking infectious diseases. By analyzing genetic data from pathogens, scientists can monitor outbreaks, trace transmission routes, and develop effective interventions. This approach was vital during the COVID-19 pandemic. Agricultural genomics interprets biological information to improve crops and livestock. By identifying genes linked to yield, disease resistance, and nutrition, scientists can breed better varieties and ensure food security. This field is essential for sustainable agriculture and feeding a growing population. Conservation genomics uses biological information to protect endangered species and preserve biodiversity. By interpreting genetic data, scientists can assess population health, manage breeding programs, and develop strategies for conservation. This work is vital for maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Interpreting biological information unlocks the mysteries of life, drives innovation, and improves health and well-being. From decoding DNA to understanding ecosystems, the ability to read and analyze life's data is transforming science and society. As technology advances and our knowledge grows, the possibilities for discovery are endless. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of biological information. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of life.